Let's see if she'll start. It's been a while. So, no way in hell she's going to start. So, change of plan. Let's try and work out what's wrong with her, if that battery is completely dead, or we can save it. Let's try and wake it up first. Stay tuned. Okay, I think the first thing we've got to do, let's get the bonnet open. We're going to get the multimeter out and we will test it, see what it's got, see what the voltage is like. Hopefully it's pretty close to starting. Then I might try and jump it off the BMW, see if we can wake that battery up, see if we can get her started. We'll see what happens. Fingers crossed, guys. Second. Stick this on the right setting. Stick it in a place where you should be able to see it. Yeah, that looks good for you. So I'm hoping for around 11.7 volts. So black wire goes on the negative, red wire goes on the... Hey, Dad, do it. So like I was saying, I was hoping for around 11.7, 12 volts. I'm sure you proper mechanics out there will actually correct me on that, but I'm gonna hook her up to the beamer, see if we can get enough voltage in her to actually start the engine. After seeing that, I'm not that positive, but we'll see. We'll see. We can all hope. So, thought it'd be a good time to actually show you in this. So the BMW is slightly different to the Audi. We can't get to the battery, it being in the boot. So, to jump off this, you've got your positive lead goes underneath this flap, and there's this little tiny post just here for the negative. So we're going to hook that onto the negative, making sure nothing's linked. So hook that onto the positive. We're good this end. Okay, back onto the Audi. Start with the negative, goes over this side. Plug her on there. Okay, so I'm going to start the beamer, so we'll test the voltage again, and hopefully. Okay, let's try and start it first, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so there's a little bit more voltage than I thought. I was going to test it, but I don't want to stick my hands in there too much. Move it out of the way, see if we can test it now. Don't try this at home, kids. That way you can see it again. Let's see if I can get any of that electrocuting myself. See if we can get in there. I'm going to get in there. Oh! Okay, I don't think this battery's dead, guys. I think we might be able to start this car. So hold a second. So the good news is we are getting enough voltage. So I wasn't expecting it after seeing that 9.5 or wherever it was. Oh, sticking it there. So now we're hooked up to the BMW. Now Roxy's hooked up to Lexi. We're going to give it a second. Now we're getting that 14.8 volts, I think it was. She was trying to crank, so that's a good sign. I'm going to give it a second. Give me a few seconds, give me a minute, and then I will try it again. Okay, here we go, guys. Moment of truth. Let's see if there's any life in this car. Okay, so that I do need to sort out, and that's obviously the battery's being guarded, so don't worry about that. So that's fine. But she starts, boys. So guys, that went really well. I'm so excited, so happy now. So I started the whole video up. I wasn't expecting her to actually start. I expected it just to be a diagnosis. Okay, I'm going to need a new battery, but she starts. She starts. So it looks like we actually woke up the battery on this car. Luckily, Lexi did help. So now we've got some exciting things to do. I've got a lot of videos planned for this car. Hopefully I still got to record them, but we're coming up. So bear with us. I'm saving up. It's coming. We've got some cool stuff coming up. So hit that like, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe down below, share it with your friends. We are out.
Green eyes got stepping at the high life, wishing you could be like them. They got that